We're here today at the Wynwood ArtWalk event where many are gathering from all over the world to come and witness local artists bring their beautiful murals and art pieces. As you can see, we have many people who are walking down the strip to witness the murals on the walls, to eat their delicious food, and to also witness the beautiful arts and crafts. Please come and enjoy. And here we have Patrick, and they call him the Trumpet Man. Mr. Trumpet Man, can you tell us a little bit more about what brings you here today?
Well, ArtWalk is what Miami is growing up into being. One of the hottest spots in Miami. You can get it here at ArtWalk. That's just a sample of what you get when you come to ArtWalk. Be here or be square.
Here, live in Miami, Florida, many are coming from everywhere to observe our beautiful artwork from many passionate artists in our local areas. Our food truck vendors here happily catering to every plate with dishes from all around the world. Everyone here enjoying their meals gathered together with this live music. This is Rosie Torres reporting live with JB News. Until next time.